Have you ever wondered if the very payments you're making to build your credit are secretly costing you more than you realize? Specifically, if you're using a Borrowell Credit Builder program, are you paying interest on those payments? It's a fair question, and one that gets to the heart of understanding how these credit building tools actually work. For many Canadians looking to improve their credit score, products like the Borrowell Credit Builder seem like a lifeline. They promise to help you establish a positive payment history, diversify your credit mix, and ultimately, unlock better financial opportunities. But the financial world can be complex, filled with jargon and hidden clauses. So, let's pull back the curtain and explore whether your Borrowell Credit Builder payments are accumulating interest, and what that truly means for your financial journey. Now, let's narrow our focus to the Borrowell Credit Builder program. Borrowell is a prominent Canadian fintech company known for offering free credit scores and reports, along with various financial products designed to help Canadians improve their financial well-being. Their Credit Builder program is specifically designed to help users build their payment history and diversify their credit mix. Here's the crucial point, and the direct answer to our initial question. The Borrowell Credit Builder program states that it reports your payments to Equifax Canada as a Borrowell installment loan with a 48-month term at a 0% APR. This means, fundamentally, you are not paying interest on the payments you make for the Borrowell Credit Builder program itself. This is a significant distinction and a major advantage for individuals looking to build credit without incurring additional debt costs. Many traditional loans, even small ones, come with interest rates that can add up over time. The 0% APR on the Borrowell Credit Builder means that every dollar you pay towards the program directly contributes to the principal amount that will eventually be returned to you, without any portion being siphoned off as interest. Let's break down how this works in practice. When you enroll in the Borrowell Credit Builder program, you select a monthly payment amount, often with options like Starter, Plus, or Pro at varying payment levels, e.g., $10, $30, or $50 per month. For instance, if you choose the $10 per month option over a 36-month term, which some sources indicate as a typical term for their program, you would pay a total of $360. At the end of that term, that $360 would be returned to you. There's no interest charged on those monthly payments. So, if there's no interest, what's the cost of using the Borrowell Credit Builder? This is where understanding the nature of these programs becomes important. While the core loan component might be 0% APR, credit builder programs, including Borrowell's, might have other associated costs. For instance, some credit builder programs operate on a subscription model or may have a small monthly fee for access to the service. While Borrowell does not explicitly state a separate subscription fee for the credit builder in some of its public information, it's always critical to review the specific terms and conditions of your agreement when you sign up. Some resources mention a potential cashback rewards program which is tied to the credit builder, suggesting a broader program rather than just a simple loan. It's crucial to differentiate between the structure of the credit building loan itself and any separate program fees. The primary cost, if you can even call it that, is the temporary inaccessibility of your funds. You are essentially saving your money in a structured way that simultaneously builds your credit. You don't have access to the money you're paying until the end of the program term. For some, this might be a drawback if they need immediate access to funds. However, for those who are specifically looking to build credit and can afford to set aside these small monthly payments, this locked savings aspect can be a benefit, promoting financial discipline. Beyond the 0% APR on the loan payments themselves, what else should you know about Borrowell Credit Builder? Firstly, it reports your payments to Equifax Canada. This is vital because consistent, on-time payments are the biggest determinant of your credit score, accounting for about 35% of your FICO score. By making regular payments through the Borrowell Credit Builder, you are actively creating a positive payment history that lenders will see when assessing your creditworthiness. Secondly, the program helps to diversify your credit mix. Your credit mix refers to the different types of credit accounts you have, e.g., credit cards, lines of credit, installment loans. Having a healthy mix shows lenders that you can responsibly manage various forms of credit. The Borrowell Credit Builder is reported as an installment loan, adding to your credit mix if you primarily have revolving credit like credit cards. This can positively impact your score. Thirdly, there's no hard credit check when you apply for the Borrowell Credit Builder. This is a huge benefit for individuals with limited or poor credit. A hard inquiry on your credit report can temporarily ding your score, and if you have a low score to begin with, multiple hard inquiries can make it even harder to get approved for new credit. Borrowell's approach means you can start building your credit without further impacting your current score through the application process. Fourthly, the program aims for an average credit score increase. Borrowell states that Credit Builder members can see an average credit score increase of 41 points within the first 5 months, based on a 2022 study. While individual results can vary depending on other factors, like late payments on other accounts or high credit utilization elsewhere, this demonstrates the potential effectiveness of the program. It's important to understand that while the Borrowell Credit Builder is a powerful tool, it's not a magic bullet. Building good credit takes time and consistent effort. Here are some general best practices that complement the Borrowell Credit Builder and will further boost your credit score. Make all your payments on time, every time. Keep your credit utilization low. Maintain a long credit history. Have a healthy credit mix. Limit new credit inquiries. Regularly check your credit report. In summary, for those considering the Borrowell Credit Builder program, the good news is that you are not charged interest on your direct payments to the program. The payments you make are essentially savings that are returned to you at the end of the term, while simultaneously building your credit history with Equifax Canada. This makes it a financially sound option for credit building, as you're not paying a premium in the form of interest for the service. The cost is more about the temporary inaccessibility of the funds and potentially any small program fees, if applicable. Always read the terms and conditions carefully before signing up for any financial product to ensure you understand all the details. The Borrowell Credit Builder aims to provide a clear, interest-free path to a stronger credit score, empowering you to unlock better financial opportunities in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.